Magic Natura is the first worldwide experience of staying among animals within a Polynesian-themed water park. Its design and architecture will carry us away to the exotic and beautiful locations of Bali and Polynesia. Its pagodas will tell us stories of temples and millennial gods. Magic Natura is a resort with cabins distributed among 3 themed areas. In the Java area, you can find cabins with 1, 2 or 3 bedrooms, some of them with a jacuzzi on the terrace and views over the elephant observatory. And the Tahiti and Bali areas with 2-bedroom cabins, some with Balinese beds and an exterior jacuzzi. If what you want is to relax, at our spa you will find the rest you came looking for. In the incredible infinite pools with unique views, with panoramic jacuzzis for both kids and adults. Or at one of our marvellous hideaways like Bora Bora Chill Out, only for adults, looking over Benidorm's skyline and its unforgettable sunsets. And the younger ones who want fun in the water, with them in mind we have an aquatic area with water plays. Snacks and cafes can be found throughout Magic Natura, among them Pura Vesaki Bar, that will welcome you to the resort with its authentic Balinese pagoda. With themed restaurants such as Italia Natura, with its chefs, experts in Italian cuisine, and Tangaloa, that offers a selection of exotic meat dishes. At the Tuvalu restaurant, you will find buffets and a wide range of top quality food. Palapa, Rapa Nui or Agung Vulcan offer coffees, drinks and refreshments throughout the day. We also have the Taman Ayun Lounge Bar and its chill-out terrace by the pool. Staying in Magic Natura is an adventure, a place where all the family can deepen their respect for animals and nature. You will have access to the Terra Natura theme park, where you can find over 1,500 animals from over 200 different species. See them for yourself with invisible barriers. We also have educational interaction experiences with the animals. At the nighttime safari, you can enjoy impressive experiences observing animals and their behavior in the middle of the night. And if what you want is to splash around, Magic Natura offers you the Aqua Natura water park, with plenty of slides. Intense sensations for all the family. The younger ones can swim with sea lions, get to know their habitat and customs with fun and educational interactions. At the Mermaid and Triton School, you will learn to move around with a monofin, inside and outside the water, as real mermen. Magic Natura, holidays for all the family, full of magical adventures and experiences, in touch with nature.